Viddyoze is a web-based animation platform. We make it really easy for normal, everyday people to create really cool looking animations. When we first came into the shell, the idea was like, right, we'll have desks there, we'll have a snooker table or something. But the way Atol's kind of rearranged the space is like he's made really good use of the room. We pretty much let him have free reign over what he wanted to do with the office, and they came up with ideas that we never would have thought of. The suspended meeting room and all of that, we had no idea. He pretty much like opened our eyes as to what was possible with a really tight space, I guess.